Hey, what's up everyone? It's Franchise923, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing a Keychron K10 keyboard. So if anyone doesn't know, this is a popular mechanical keyboard brand. I actually just learned about it a couple weeks ago. I was Googling like, what's a good mechanical keyboard to buy. Keychron was recommended by a bunch of people. And I actually went with the full size, which is the K10. This includes a numpad. Because the current one I have right now actually doesn't have a numpad, and I don't like it. I find myself trying to use a numpad and there not being one. So yeah, in this video I'm just going to unbox this bad boy and check it out. And just fair warning, I'm not a connoisseur of mechanical keyboards. I don't really know all the lingo and all the terms. I know there's different keys you can put in here. I forget what they're even called, but yeah, let's just open this thing up and see what it looks like. So let's get my trusty pocket knife here. Alright, here we go. A tactile mechanical keyboard for peak productivity. Alright, so here's what it looks like right as you pull the lid off. And there we go, we got some instructions in here. Full-size mechanical keyboard. So this can be wired or wireless. I'm going to try it wireless first, see how it is. If there's any sort of lag, I'm definitely going to go with wired, but we'll give it a try. Alright, so here's what the keyboard actually looks like. I like that click-clacky sound. It's got a decent weight to it. First thing I'm going to do is put these things up. I don't know who doesn't use these. I don't know. It always bothers me when I go to a keyboard and those are not up. Yeah, so that looks good. Look at it. You can see the size compared to my old keyboard. This is much bigger. I think you can see that. What else do we have in here? So we have the USB cable if we decide to go with it wired. I'm guessing this little thing is to pull the keys out. Because like I said, these are interchangeable with different types of keys. I can't remember the term for it. And it looks like we have some other alternative keys for if a user is using a Mac or Windows, for example, you can change the command and control buttons. Alright, Keychron K10. So let me go ahead and figure out how to hook this thing up to my computer. Alright. Connect Bluetooth. Alright, looks pretty easy. It just says connect Bluetooth. Probably can't see that, it's out of focus, but connect Bluetooth, switch toggle to Bluetooth, press function +1 for 4 seconds, and pair with device name Keychron K10. Alright, let's give that a try. So let me get this stuff out of the way here. Alright, switch toggle to Bluetooth. So here we go on the side, this must be what they're talking about. Toggle, Bluetooth. So we have, a place to put a USB cable in, an option to change between Mac and Windows. It's set to Mac by default, and then a Bluetooth toggle. So I'm going to turn that on. Alright, so it just lit up a little bit. There's blue above the numcaps. And now it says press function +1, or function 1 for 4 seconds. Now on my computer I'm going to look on the Bluetooth setting for this new device. So let me go. Oops, wrong keyboard. Alright, function +1. Oh, function. Okay. Not seeing it yet. Oh, there we go, it just popped up. So I was first hitting the F1 button, but I shouldn't have. I should have been pressing literally the function and then the 1 button. So now I see it showed up on my Mac. I'm going to click connect. Alright, it says it's connected. Let's give this a try. There we go. Oh yeah, so tactile. That thing's awesome. Yeah, I mean, I don't see any lag with the Bluetooth yet. Seems just as if it was wired. Pretty sweet. It does feel like I can type a little bit faster. It's probably just a placebo effect, but it does seem like I can type faster. So listen to this. That's the Keychron, and then my old keyboard. New keyboard. Yeah, I definitely like the size of it a lot better. Yeah, I can't remember the term, but there were different options when I bought this, like what types of switches, that's what they're called. These are different types of switches. I went with the blue one, which is apparently supposed to be louder, more clickier, you know, better for typing, I guess. But that's what I went with here. And yeah, I think that is all I wanted to show you in this video. Possibly I'll make a follow-up video in a couple of weeks to let you know how I like this, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to like it. I already just like the full size of it much better. Yeah, thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please like and subscribe.